Hey guys, welcome to SearchPie app. In this video we will go over SEO report feature. You can easily find it on sidebar here. Let's get started. SEO report will scan and show you the status of SEO elements on all pages on your website or one particular page. With All Pages tab, it will crawl a specific number of pages each day and you can see how many pages are crawled and the last update here. Consider our VIP SEO scan package for one-click issue identification of all pages day by day to save time. There are three types of announcements on SEO report. Good means everything is working well, nothing to do. Notices means recommendations to boost your SEO. Issues means problems hurting your SEO that need fixing as soon as possible. By clicking on a specific section, you will have a detailed report including the notices/issues, which pages are struggling with them and how to fix them like this. You can click the See Details button here to see the detailed report on a specific page. There are some notices which are not necessary to edit, for example an image is missing alt tag. You can click on the Waste Bin button to move it to the Ignore list. With some technical issues like HTML tags you can chat with us by a live chat to ask more about them just by clicking Contact Us or Request Fix. With some issues like long URLs you can directly go to the feature in app and fix them here. Update the fix status once the issue is addressed by clicking on Rescan. With One Page tab, you can scan one particular page on your website or other websites and view its SEO status. That's all for now. Seeing you soon in the next tutorial. If you have any questions, please feel free to let us know. Thank you for watching.